everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and we have today's top 5 plants. We're going to start with this gorgeous geranium. This is a Galaxy Salmon geranium. We have a couple different series of geraniums, and the Galaxy series grows 16 to 20 inches tall. So we have got the Galaxy Salmon here and Galaxy Violet. Now this color is a stunning color. I had the Galaxy Violet in my personal window boxes a couple of summers ago, and they were amazing, nice and full, and that vibrant color. So here are two colors. You could plant these together in the same planter or in the same window box, and they're going to be evenly matched. So they're going to grow to about the same size and just give you some stunning colors. So our first plant is the Galaxy Salmon, and our second plant is the Galaxy Violet today. Our next geranium for today's top 5 plants is called Sunrise Rose Plus Big Eye. Now these ones are going to grow 12 to 14 inches tall, so they're not as tall as the Galaxy series. And we do have multiple colors in each series. So if you're looking for a medium-sized geranium, the Sunrise is a really great choice. This color is stunning. It is, again, rose with a big eye, and that means it has a different color in the center. So rose big eye, 12 to 14 inches. Geraniums need at least 6 hours of full sun, 6 hours of daylight, and they can take though the whole day of sun. So if you had a south-facing window box, something that maybe doesn't have a lot of soil in it, you would do fantastic with geraniums because they can take the heat and they don't need a ton of water compared to like a petunia. Okay, our next series of geraniums is called the Moonlight series. This is the Moonlight Lavender, and that color is truly lavender. It's a great color. The Moonlight series have a little bit darker leaf, and they do not grow as tall. They're going to max out about 10 to 12 inches. So if you're looking for a more compact geranium, for a smaller planter or maybe a border on a flower bed, the Moonlight geranium is the choice for you. And we do have, as I said, multiple colors of the Moonlight geranium. Okay, and our next geranium series are the, they're called the Chocolate series. And how tall does this one get? 15 by 18, so up to between 15 and 18 inches tall. This is the chocolate cherry. So it's called chocolate because if we look at this leaf, it has this beautiful brown center on the leaves, and they're just really edged in a nice solid green there. So brown chocolatey color leaf with the green edges. And what I love about the chocolate leaf geraniums is that the colors pop. Like, look at how much the color pops on that. The bright color pops, the contrast. So these are going to grow about 18 inches tall, between 15 and 18 inches. So they are a little taller than the Sunrise, a little shorter than the Galaxies, but we do have several colors in the chocolate geranium series. So today's top 5 is all geraniums, and they can grow in at least 6 hours of daylight all the way to full sun. So they do fantastic on the east side, the south side, or the west side of your home in containers, in flower beds, or in window boxes. Okay, we even have geraniums that spill a bit, the ivy geraniums, and they are really good for hanging baskets. A lot of times people will say, well, you know, my grandma had geraniums. Grandma's had geraniums because geraniums grow really well. And if you've moved away from geraniums for a while, I encourage you to try them again this year. Put them in your sunniest spot, the spot that gets really hot. Maybe you've got like a garage that's south facing, and the pots get just a lot of heat coming off the concrete and maybe the stonework on the garage. You don't have to water them as much, and they'll still be happy. That's the nice thing about geraniums. So give them a try this year. We've got lots of colors and lots of series for taller ones and more compact geraniums. And thanks guys, that's today's top 5, and we'll see you soon.